Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you really quick how to use Cricut Infusible Inks to make these sanitizer pouches. Really fun and easy. This is one idea of what to do with your Infusible Ink Scraps. So just grab your scrap and your sanitizer pouch Infusible Ink blank. They actually come with a refillable bottle for you to put your sanitizer in. You're also going to need your Easy Press and an Easy Press mat. The first thing you do is trim the Infusible Ink blank to the size of, trim your Infusible Ink scrap to the size of your blank. Next, grab a piece of butcher paper and you're going to tape your Infusible Ink scrap face down onto the Infusible Ink blank. Press it for 385 for 45 seconds using light to medium pressure. Remove it from the butcher paper and then flip it over. It's going to be hot, so be careful, and repeat the same thing on the opposite side with the new Infusible Ink scrap. Again, on your butcher paper, you are going to tape your Infusible Ink down to the butcher paper, face down onto your blank. Press again at 385 for 45 seconds. Now just replace the key ring and fill your sanitizer bottle and replace it into the pouch. And now you have a cool patterned sanitizer keychain. If you have Infusible Ink Scraps and you want to do something like this, store them in a plastic baggie where water can't get to them until you're ready to use them. I have some pop sockets that this would be great for, and also some other blanks.